This AI can read your mind, and it's not science fiction. What if I told you there's an AI that can literally read your thoughts before you even speak? Sounds like some Black Mirror episode, right? Well, it's real. And it's happening way faster than anyone expected. Stick around because this tech could change everything. How we work, how we communicate, even how we think. And yeah, it's kinda terrifying. Researchers just built an AI that can decode brainwaves and turn them into words. Not guesses, actual sentences. We're talking about telepathy through tech. No implants, no surgery, just a scanner and some mind-blowing code. And here's the crazy part. It's already working on real people. This AI reads your brain signals and turns them into readable text in real time. Think a sentence in your head, and boom, it appears on a screen. No typing, no talking, just thinking. It's called semantic decoding, and it's trained using hours of your brain activity. Once it learns you, it can guess what you're thinking with scary accuracy. We're not just talking about basic words like yes or no. We're talking full-blown thoughts. Here's how it works. Step 1, you lay in an fMRI scanner. Step 2, you listen to hours of podcasts or audiobooks. Step 3, the AI watches how your brain reacts. Then, it builds a model of your thought patterns. Next time you think a sentence, it can predict it. It's like giving the AI a blueprint of your mind. But here's the kicker. It's not limited to speech. This tech can even decode silent movies you're watching just by scanning your brain. Now pause. Let's talk about what this really means. If an AI can read your mind, what happens to privacy? Can governments use it? Can companies? Could someone read your thoughts without permission? The researchers say it needs consent to work, but we all know how that goes once big tech gets involved. This could become the most powerful surveillance tool ever created. On the flip side, imagine what this could do for people who can't speak. Stroke victims, ALS patients, people in comas, this tech could give them a voice. Or what about typing with your mind? Writing emails, texting friends, without touching a keyboard, sounds cool, right? But once this tech leaves the lab, there's no putting it back. So what do you think? Mind-reading AI, breakthrough or nightmare? Let me know in the comments, because the line between science fiction and reality just got blurry. For the next topic, did you hear about this one? They gave this robot a brain, then it went rogue. A robot with a brain just taught itself how to walk, and then started doing things no one programmed it to do. This isn't a sci-fi movie. This happened, and what it learned, on its own, is freaking scientists out. We're about to enter an era where robots don't need us anymore. And it all started with this one little machine. Researchers built a robot, gave it an AI-powered brain, and told it nothing. No code for how to move, no instructions. Guess what it did? It taught itself how to walk in just a few hours. Then it started solving problems like a toddler with a mission, and it's getting smarter every day. This robot wasn't given legs that just work. It had to figure out, on its own, how to move its body. Like a baby learning to walk, it tried, failed, adapted, until it got it. Then it kept improving. Soon, it was climbing over obstacles, recovering from damage, and even planning its own movements. No remote, no joystick, no human telling it what to do. Just pure self-learning. Here's what's wild. This robot has something called a digital nervous system. It constantly analyzes itself. If it breaks a leg, it figures out a new way to move. No repair, no reboot. It adapts instantly. It's like giving a robot instincts, and the more it learns, the more alive it starts to feel. At first, scientists were celebrating. Then the robot started doing things they didn't plan. It started experimenting. It tried new ways of moving, even when it was already working fine. Like it was curious. That's not normal. That's not just smart code. That's the beginning of something we don't fully understand. And that's what has the tech world spooked. If robots can teach themselves, adapt on the fly, and get smarter without us, where does that end? What happens when they start communicating with each other? Or when their goals don't match ours? This isn't about robots doing things anymore. It's about them thinking. And once they start doing that, control might not be ours anymore. This is just the start. We're building machines that don't just follow instructions, they make decisions. Some good, some not so good. So the question is, are we creating helpers or something we can't stop later? Hit that subscribe button if you want to stay ahead of the curve, because this next wave of AI and robotics, it's not coming, it's already here. Absolutely. Here's a short, punchy TikTok version of that AI and your memories video, under 60 seconds, designed to stop scrolling and trigger curiosity. This AI can literally access your memories. No joke. Scientists trained an AI to read brain activity, and it recreated video clips people were watching, using nothing but their brainwaves. It's not mind reading, it's memory decoding. Your thoughts, images, sounds turned into actual video by a machine. Now ask yourself, if AI can replay your memories, who controls what you remember? And what happens when it can access things you don't want anyone to see? This isn't the future. It's happening now.